Hi you guys, welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how I like to use the DecoMagic Deco Brush Cleaner. It's a liquid brush cleaner that will help you get the paint out of your ferrule at the end of your acrylic painting session. And then once we've got the paint out of the ferrule, I like to use the Master's Brush Cleaner and Preserver. So I'm going to show you how you leave this one in your brush, and it'll condition your bristles and help your brush maintain its natural shape. So let's say we're base coating. And you've got your rock all painted and it's time to wash out your brush. Then you can go in your brush tub. If you watch my other video on the brush tub and how I like to use it, you can get lots of little tips on how I like to use that. Just using the brush tub alone will help your brush last twice as long. And then at the end of your painting session, you just take a little bit of the DecoMagic brush cleaner and you tap in that clear puddle, just the same way you would tap in your brush tub. And if there's any color still left up in your ferrule, you'll see it come down and discolor your puddle there. So if that happens, just rinse out your brush, wipe away this puddle that would be dirty, and then take a new puddle and then just keep repeating the process until your brush doesn't leave any color behind in the clear puddle. Then you can rinse out the liquid cleaner from your brush, and then what you're going to do is take a little bit of water and work it up in a lather here in the Master's Brush Cleaner and Preserver. You kind of like a dry foam, so you want a lot of cleaner in there so that your brush will dry like hard as a rock. So that'll condition the bristles and it'll help your brush maintain its natural shape. So the next time when you go and use that brush, it should be nice and hard, and the bristles should be hard to move them, so you'll want to rinse out the brush at the beginning of your painting session to remove that cleaner, and then you're ready to paint. So that's how I like to use the DecoMagic brush cleaner, the liquid brush cleaner, to get the paint out of your ferrule. That's the part that holds your bristles to your handle. And then how I like to use the DecoMagic, or the Master's Brush Cleaner and Preserver. So that one will condition your bristles and help them maintain their natural shape. So I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you again soon.